Right now, Dayton City leaders and stakeholders are working to figure out what's next after a fire at the historic Wright Brothers airplane factory. The building's caught fire around 2 Sunday morning. Firefighters worked well into the afternoon to try to put it out. Mamie Baugh shares what steps will be taken next.
Right now, Dayton Fire Department is assessing the damage and working to determine what started the fire. We do know that this is the oldest and first airplane manufacturing building in the world. For more than 13 hours, firefighters worked to put out the flames yesterday. This is a look from our Dayton 24/7 Now sky view at the damage. The Dayton Fire Department says due to the intensity of the flames and the fire breaching the roof, firefighters could only work from the outside. An aerial ladder was used to pour water into the factory. In 1911, the Wright brothers built this factory. I spoke with the lead archivist at Wright State University, which is named after the brothers because of the family's contributions, including these photos.
The pictures here on the table show the interior shots of people working, manufacturing these airplanes for use.
So many firsts.
So many firsts, exactly. This is Ida Holdgreave. She's the first woman to work in an airplane factory. This one photo is kind of interesting. That's Charlie Taylor. He was the gentleman that helped the Wrights build the engine for the airplane.
The property was vacated in 2009 when Delphi closed their long-standing automotive facility. The city of Dayton now owns the property. I reached out to ask were any steps taken to try and preserve it since it is a piece of history. The city said yes, with the help of our partners. Security cameras were installed on the perimeter of the historic hangars. National Park Service rangers patrolled the site, and funding from the state of Ohio was secured to continue stabilization and preservation efforts. We're also told that the city development team is contacting stakeholders to discuss future development. Back to you.